Hi everyone, Glama here. So the inspiration for this video is my new obsession, my new Yode watch. So I thought that I would show it off by showing off all my top faves. Yes, I'm a girly girl, so I love all things sparkly and blingy and pretty and dainty, of course. And I absolutely love my old vintage car that my husband got me. Thank you, babe. I love you. And I absolutely love crochet. Well, actually, anything yarnsy and crafty. Love, love, love. And for the last couple of years, I have been madly obsessed with learning all I can learn about makeup application and skincare. And really soon, I'm going to be trying on all these Wet n Wild liquid catsuit glosses for you. Yay! The color I'm wearing today is 927B Nice to Fuchsia. I just love how they go on nice and smooth, but then they dry matte, so very kissable. And finally, my newest obsession, my new Yode wood watch, and the inspiration for this whole picture slideshow, because on July 28th, I am going to upload a YouTube video giving you all the details of how to win a giveaway by Yode watches. Yay! So if you're not already subscribed to my channels, go and do that and click the bell icon so that you can be notified as soon as that video goes up so that you can have your chance to win a giveaway. Awesome. Love you guys. Bye.